Hello everyone, so this is the question is from GATE 2023. Question is from differential equation, and before solving this question we have to know first the term separation theorem. What is term separation theorem is that we have given the two function f and g and they both are linearly independent solution of the differential equation. This in any interval, closed interval be, then between the two consecutive zeros of f there lies exactly one zeros of g. It means between two simultaneous root of this there lies exactly one root of this. Okay, so now come to the question. Question is, we have given the phi and psi with two Li solution. Li solution, how we check? The Wronskian of this and this is non-zero, right? And we have given the alpha beta be any real number such that alpha is less than beta and phi of alpha, phi of beta is 0 and phi of x is non-zero for all x belongs to alpha beta. So what does it mean? It means that phi of that alpha and beta are consecutive zeros of phi, because in this interval phi is non-zero now. So according to this theorem there lies at least one root between this interval alpha beta such that this function psi of x is 0. How we write this? According to this theorem, right? Now we have given two statements p and q and we have to tell that both statements are false, both statement is true, or one is true or second is false, second is true, first is false. So come to first p. So for this let's take a phi, assume phi is sin x and psi is cos x, right? And both are linearly independent because Wronskian of these two is non-zero, right? What the Wronskian is? Put sin x and cos x. What is the derivative of sin x? Is cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus of sin x. So what is now? The Wronskian is now minus 1, which is non-zero. It means both are linearly independent. Okay. So we assume phi is sin x. So what is phi dash? Phi dash is cos x, right? And assume that alpha is 0 and beta is pi. Okay. So what is cos of 0? Right? Phi dash is cos x now. So what is cos x 0? That is 1. And what is phi dash beta? Phi dash beta matlab ki cos of pi. So what is now? It is minus 1. Is minus 1 greater than 0? No. So it means P statement is false. Okay. And now Q, come to the Q statement. Q statement says that phi of x and psi of x is non-zero for all x belongs to alpha beta, and we have given that phi of x is non-zero for all x belongs to alpha beta. So this is non-zero, and according to this theorem psi of x is equals to 0 in this interval. So it means this should be 0 now, but it given that it is non-zero. So according to this, Q statement is also false. So our answer is both P and Q are false. Okay,